Welcome to Worthixa, where smart money decisions create a better future.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and good. Once again, warm welcome to all of you to our channel, to my dear respected friends and my loving audience. Today's topic will be quite interesting and realistic, and that's about passive income for beginners. So I would like to do request to you all. Please try to connect with me until the end. Let's begin. Just imagine waking up in the morning, you check your phone, and while you were sleeping, money has already been added to your account. There is no boss, no overtime, no extra shifts. Sounds like good, and it's just like a dream, right? But for millions of people around the world, this is called passive income. The truth is, passive income is not a magic. It is a system, and today I'm going to show you exactly how beginners can start building passive income even if you have a full-time job, limited money, and absolutely no perfect experience. So again, I would like to do request. Please stay till the end because I will also share the biggest mistakes that often beginners make that stop them from earning their first passive income. So, the question is, what is passive income? Passive income is money you continue earning after you have already done most of the work. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it for months, nothing happens. But one day it begins producing fruit. Now, just imagine collecting those fruits every season. That's passive income. However, let's be realistic. Passive income is not no work. It usually requires effort upfront, creating, investing, or building something that continues generating income later. Why passive income matters? Most people rely on one paycheck. If they stop working, the income totally stops, and that's very risky. Passive income creates financial security. It gives you choices. It reduces stress, and over time, it helps you to build wealth instead of simply surviving month to month. Imagine having your salary plus rental income plus investment income plus earning from a YouTube video you uploaded months ago. That's how wealthy people diversify their income. The biggest myth social media often tells you make $10,000 this month without doing anything. But I will say that's totally misleading because real passive income always takes time. The first dollar is the hardest, but once your systems start working together, income can grow regularly. That's why always we have to focus on consistency, not even shortcuts. Number 1, dividend investing, one of the simplest passive income methods. Some companies share part of their profits with investors. These payments are called dividends. If you own shares, you receive regular payouts. The more shares you own, the larger your income becomes. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many investment platforms allow beginners to start with small amount. Remember, invest for the long term, don't chase quick profits. Number 2, index funds. If choosing individual companies feels confusing, then index funds are a great option. Instead of investing in one company, you invest in hundreds of companies at once. This reduces risk. Many successful investors recommended that index funds because they are simple and beginner friendly. Time is your biggest advantage. Number 3, real estate. Buying property can create rental income. Every month, tenants pay rent. Over time, your property may also increase in value. If buying a house or flat is not possible right now, then some platforms allow people to invest smaller amounts into real estate projects. Start where you can. Number 4, create a YouTube channel. A single helpful video can earn views for years. Once your channel is monetized, all videos continue generating advertising revenue. Educational content, finance, technology, health, motivation. People search for these topics every day. Consistency matters far more than perfection. Number 5, sell digital products. Create something once, sell it repeatedly. Examples include PDF guides, ebooks, templates, planners, checklists, study notes, design assets. Music, photography. Digital products have almost no inventory cost. That's why many creators love this business model. Number 6, online courses. If you know something valuable, then try to teach it, like cooking, fitness, programming, photography, language learning, music, business. People pay to solve problems. Create one quality course. It can continue selling for years. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Recommend products you genuinely trust. When someone buys using your special referral link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support. Many YouTubers and bloggers earn significant income this way. Trust is everything. Never recommend it any kind of products that you don't believe in. Number 8, print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters. The company prints and ships every order. You simply create the design. No warehouse, no inventory, low startup cost. Number 9, write a book. Book can continue selling long after they are published, whether traditional publishing or self-publishing. Every sales generates royalties. One book can become an income producing asset. Number 10, mobile app and software. If you can build an app or hire someone to create one, it may generate subscription income for years to years. Many successful apps started as simple ideas solving everyday problems. Start small. Many people delay because they think they need lots of money. Actually, that's not true. What you need that most is consistency. Even investing a small amount every month builds momentum. Small actions repeated consistently and create extraordinary results. The power of compounding. Albert Einstein is often credited with calling compounding one of the world's greatest forces. Imagine investing every month, your money earns returns. Those returns begin earning returns too. Over time, growth happen. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Time is more important than timing. Some common mistakes that often beginners do or make. Like, first, they expecting instant results. Remember, passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. Second, following every new trend. Choose only one strategy, then work on it, master it, then expand. And third, giving up too early. Most people quit just before seeing meaningful progress. Fourth, not learning. Financial education is one of the highest return investments you will ever make. So, try to read books, try to watch educational content, study successful people. Knowledge compounds too. Your 90-day beginner plan. Week 1, learn basic financial concepts. Set a saving goal. Week 2, open an investment account if appropriate. Research index funds. Week 3, choose one passive income strategy. Not 5, just one. Month 2, take consistent action every week. Month 3, improve, optimize, learn from mistakes, repeat. Remember, consistency beats intensity. So, I would like to say that we can understand, right? That passive income won't make you rich overnight, but it can change your financial future. Every successful investor, every successful entrepreneur, every successful creator, they all start with a single step first. So, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have. Learn as you grow. Be patient. One day your future self will thank you. If this video helped you to understand passive income, make sure to give a like to this video and subscribe our channel, along with turn on notification so you never miss practical finance lessons that designed to help you to build wealth, improve your financial knowledge, and achieve long-term financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video soon. Until then, keep learning, keep investing, and keep building the life that you actually deserve in reality. Thank you.